Alright, so what we have here is still some fretwork to do on the Strat, and that's what's happening. So the string gets wedged under the fret because there's a little bit of a gap over there. You can clearly feel it. The frets are not like raising up, but that's enough for the string to get there, and you know, when you're playing, that's not fun at all, because then it won't, well, let's say sing. But yeah, it's stuck and it won't play. So what are we gonna do? We're gonna fix that, and it's pretty simple. I need just a couple of tools, which is super glue, sandpaper, harder grit than 400. This is 120. And then of course I wouldn't want like ebony wood. I couldn't find any, so I'm just gonna use this one. I don't really care that much about it right now, but if you would want to, of course you would have something of the same color as the fretboard to do it with. We all are gonna just start doing the repair, and first of all we're gonna get ourselves some wood dust. So hold on, I'll grab paper because we need somewhere to hold it to, and we're just gonna be doing this for a bit. There we go. That's it, should do. Then we take, so it's those two frets, hopefully nothing more. What we're gonna do is I'm gonna get some super glue over there. You can hopefully see this, like that, like that. Then we're gonna have a little bit of this. Tap it in there like that. Gonna need a bit more on the other one, so repeat the process. All right, let's see. That should do the trick. So then we'll take our, first of all, let's take, I use often, there we go. And then let's give it a bit of a, with the 400. Now if it's still dust, then I'll just repeat the process until it can't slip under there, and I'll just clean that up a little bit. Yeah. It looks like that should do it. So there you go, a simple fix. All you need, super glue, a little bit of sanding paper, and then any kind of, you know, and other stuff could do as well, even like plastic dust, whatever. So in the end, doing this sort of a repair doesn't cost you a lot. Loctite, that's the most expensive thing, so under 10 euros. And that's how you can do it where you need to with minimal effort, and doesn't require that much of a skill. So if that's happening to you, you necessarily don't have to take it to a luthier. That would be more expensive, and then you'll have super glue to use on other stuff as well. But anyways, that's my little repair tip, and there will be more to come. Let me know if it helps, and if you have something else you'd like to know or have been thinking of, let me know too, and I'll see what I can do. All right, have fun. I'm off. Bye.